absorption for Class B and C, multifamily and DFW. What are you seeing?
Yeah, so a lot of people are concerned about new supply on the Class A side, which they should be, right? So if you're bringing on 30,000 units or so in an MSA, that's going to impact your lease up. On the B and C side, it's a little different, right? So you're not building a 1980s property, right? But what we're seeing is if there is a recession and jobs start pulling back or people start losing their jobs, a lot of these people are going to just move back home, or they're going to double up, so they're going to have a roommate. And so the number of units that you can lease is just going to be a little bit lower. And so when you start having less people coming in the leasing office, you're not going to be able to push rents as much. And so that's what you're going to see in the recession. So if you can, a lot of people are going to start trading occupancy for rent growth. And so we're driving some properties right now in Carrollton, and all these right now are 95, 96% occupied. And, if they can hold the rental rate, they'll keep that occupancy. But if we do see some softness in the economy, then some of these guys might be focused more on occupancy than pushing the rents as hard.